Marhaba again and welcome to lesson 3 of my Arabic class channel. But before starting the lesson, I would like you to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for our channel, for supporting our channel. Before we start, previously we took some useful words and were able to create small sentences like the word I don't know, أنا لا أعلم, or أنا ما بعرف, or you also could say ما بعرف. However, in today's video, it would be more of a grammar than vocab. So I will be teaching you new words and how to make them from singular to plural. It wouldn't be difficult, but it's good to know for a beginner. So let's begin now. Due to your limited vocabulary, I am going to teach you 6 new words. They wouldn't be difficult and very helpful. First word would be home. How do we say home in official Arabic? منزل. Home is منزل. But commonly you would hear more بيت. So let's repeat again. Home is منزل or بيت. Word number 2 would be car. How do we say car in Arabic? Again, in official Arabic, it is called مركبة. But you would hear more سيارة. So مركبة سيارة. Car is مركبة or سيارة. Our third word would be girl. How do we say girl in official Arabic? فتاة. But usually and commonly it is بنت. فتاة بنت. Our fourth word would be, how do we say TV? TV in official Arabic, sometimes you would hear it as تلفاز, but commonly you would hear تلفزيون. تلفزيون. Our fifth and last word would be orange. How do we say orange? The fruit in Arabic. Now there is no official or original. It's just you call it as برتقالة when you're talking about the fruit orange. But if you are talking about it as a color, it becomes برتقالي and not برتقالة. برتقالة is a fruit. So be careful. If you hear برتقالي, means orange the color. And if you hear برتقالة, it means the orange itself. I am going to do a lesson about the fruits and vegetables. Also another lesson about the colors. But just remember, برتقالي is the color and برتقالة is the fruit. The last word for today is gonna be bus. How do we say bus in Arabic? حافلة. Bus is حافلة. Be careful if you say حفلة, it means a party. حافلة is a bus. Guess that was a lot for today. Let's revise again. How do we say home? Home is منزل, or it could be بيت. منزل, بيت. How do we say car? سيارة or مركبة. مركبة is the official Arabic. So we have home, منزل, بيت, car, سيارة, or مركبة. Third word we took was girl. How do we say girl? فتاة, فتاة, or commonly you would hear بنت, بنت, فتاة, بنت. Fourth word we took was TV. How do you say TV? تلفزيون or تلفاز. تلفزيون is more common, so I recommend you to memorize تلفزيون, but تلفاز is also used. تلفاز is the proper. تلفزيون, تلفزيون. So girl is فتاة or بنت, فتاة, بنت. TV is تلفاز or تلفزيون. Now last two words. How do we say orange? Orange, the color is برتقالي, برتقالي. But if you are talking about as the fruit, you would say برتقالة, برتقالة, برتقالي and برتقالة. Our last word for section 1 was bus. How do we say bus? حافلة, حافلة, حافلة. So again, برتقالة, برتقالي, حافلة. Orange, the fruit, برتقالة. Cut the color, برتقالي, bus, حافلة. So that was all for section 1. Section 2 of the video is gonna be teaching you how to make or change this word from a singular to a plural. It isn't like English, you put an S or an ES or an IES by the end of the word. It's like there is a way to do it, and I'll be teaching you in today's video. Let's begin with our first word. It was home. Home means بيت. How can I change بيت to many homes? Okay, there are rules for that, but if you Google or search for it, it might seem very complicated. However, it is not that difficult. It's just that if you follow me, follow the rules, you can get or strike any word and change it. So our word was بيت. First thing, look at the word itself that you have. We had بيت. Now I want you to find any واو, alif, or ya in it. I call them the Y letter because they really sound like Y in Arabic. In our example, we had بيت, and there is a ya right in the middle. Whenever we see a ya and an open ta مفتوحة, we add a واو after the ya next to the ta مفتوحة, getting a new word called بيوت. بيوت, بيت, بيوت, بيت, بيوت. So we simply just added a ya next to the واو because we found a ya and an open ta مفتوحة in the end of the word, so making it بيوت. So rule number 1, when you see an open ta next to the ya in the middle of the word, you add a واو next to the ya, like بيت, بيوت, بيت, بيوت. Please make a note of that. Now again, we took house or home also could mean منزل, not just بيت. So how can I change this one to many, to plural? Since rule number 1 doesn't apply here, there is no ya in the middle and there is no an open ta. So you just do one simple step, which is add an alif or a mad next to the noon. It's always the waw, mad, and ya are the one that change it in singular to a plural. The waw, mad, ya are known as حروف العلة, which I'll be talking about them later. But for now, you only have to know that they are the ones that changed from a singular to a plural. When we add the mad next to the noon, it comes with منازل, منازل, بنزل, منازل. So rule number 2 is all about that if you don't see any waw, alif, ya, or open ta or close ta in the end, you have to add only one letter, the alif, to the second letter, like منزل, منازل. There are few more rules, but I guess that is a lot to be there in a video. That's why I'll be doing it in the next video. Please note the rules in your notebook or whatever you're doing. And don't forget to repeat watching this video. I don't think it is sufficient to watch it only one time. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Don't forget to like, comment us for any questions. Also, don't forget to watch the alphabet video. I will put the link in the description to make sure you know how to say the alphabets right. So that was the end of the video. See you next time. Bye. مع السلامة.